Demilus here for AdventureHack.com. I'm high in the Himalayas, studying the secret fighting style of the Tibetan monk. Powerful techniques such as the feather, the sandcastle, sushi roll, the rocking chair, the kitchen sink, the poached egg, the napping bubba, the blue-toed sloth, the